Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 16, that is water, a precious resources. Precious resource. In the previous lecture, we had discussed that in a water cycle what are the different processes involved. We had also discussed about the forms of water present on our earth, that is solid, liquid and gas. Not only that, we had discussed about the several processes also. Today we are going to discuss a very important source of water, that is called groundwater or underground water. So here we observe that several times or most of the times we use this ground water. Suppose if there is a river or pond close to your house, if you go there and dig just a little 8 or 10 foot distance from the pond, you will find when you dig you will get moist soil, means soil mixed with water. You will get muddy soil, because water is also mixed with the soil. So it is a sign of underground water, that the water from that very pond seeps in the near areas and the soil becomes muddy. So this is called underground water. If you dig deeper and you reach a level, you will find water is present there. So this present of water is called groundwater. And the upper layer of this level of water, is called the water table. The upper level of this layer is called the water table. Okay, class. So this water table varies from place to place. And the depth also varies from place to place. If you dig close to a pond, river or sea, you will find water a little digging and you will get water. But if you are digging in a mountain side, then you have to dig a lot and then you will get water. But if a river is also present in the mountain side, then also you will get a water at a lower level. So this is how this water table depth varies from place to place, and the quality of water also varies from place to place. So the water found below the water table is called the groundwater. Now the question arises, we are using groundwater continuously by the well, tube wells, hand pumps. So how this water is maintained under the ground? So if you think a little, then you will find that because of the rainwater, the river, ponds, because of this, the water continuously seeps in the ground. Through the cracks which is present in the soil, and it go deep inside the water. And if you remember about the soil, then you will get a bedrock layer. So there this water gets and accumulated, and then the underground layer is formed, water layer is formed. So this process of seeping of water into the ground The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. Is called infiltration. The process of seeping of water in the ground is called infiltration. Now this groundwater is stored between the above the this bedrock. So water table, water, underground water is formed. In some places it also is stored in the middle of the hard rocks. In the middle of the hard rocks, layers of the hard rocks below the water table. And this is called aquifers. And this is called aquifers. This will happen at some places, not everywhere. Everywhere you will get groundwater. Water is groundwater and water table is there. But these aquifers are found in very few areas, not everywhere. Here we, by the help of boring, by the help of digging and several other ways, we get the water. If you go at a construction site, they need a huge amount of water for construction, and if you ask them how will you get this water, they will told you that they, before the starting of the work, the first thing is they dig a boring and get water. They dig a boring and get water. So this is the first step in the construction, because they need a huge amount of water. So they dig boring and get the water. So this underground water is very important for us, because you can say it is a clean source of water. We can use it for drinking and several other purposes of ours. So use water economically, don't waste water. And I hope you are able to understand about underground water today. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.